Hello viewer, we are going to edit that design here. So first of all we will add a color for it, then take another design to use there, add an eraser tool. So there we have this image. We will go back to the image here and then add a filter into this image. It's a sketch we are using. Add some detail, increase the darkness to get a reality. So here we will use the history brush tool to get back the real image.